Good morning, students. Welcome back to Plus 2 First Year English. Today we shall discuss a story. The name of the story is Three Questions, written by Leo Tolstoy. Now let's move to the next page. Yes, this is the next page. It is three questions. What did I say? Three questions, right? तीनोटी प्रश्न. The man in the picture is Leo Tolstoy. So, Three Questions is a story written by Leo Tolstoy. Next, introducing the author. Leo Tolstoy, who lived from 1828 to 1910, was a Russian writer who primarily wrote novels. प्रथमे से उपन्यास लिखुले. You know novels who? Leo Tolstoy. And short stories. Later in life, परवर्ती जीवन रे, he also wrote लिखुले plays, नाटक and essays, प्रबंध. His War and Peace and Anne Karenina are acknowledged Srikriti Paichi as two of the greatest novels of all time. माने जुग जुग धरी सब जुग पाई से गोटे ग्रेटेस्ट नोवेल. These two are. We can also say these two novels are his masterpieces. Now let's move to Unity 1, that is warm-up activities. Warm-up activity. Yes, just 1 minute. Warm-up. Can you guess? What did I say? Can you guess? Guess means अनुमान करिया. तमें अनुमान करि पारिबो कि from the title शिरोनामा heading what the story is about. गपटी के विषय. Can you guess? To what time does को समय रे the story belong? को समय ये story, right? Read the following unit of the text. एई पाठ्य विषय निम्नलिखित यूनिट गुड़ाक पढ़. नोट द क्वेश्चंस, प्रश्न गुड़ाक उल्लेख कर. दैट ऑक्वर्ड, जोटा कि टुक प्लेस, स्थानित होइछि, घटिछि. टू ए सर्टेन किंग, जोटा कि गोटे राजा मन रे प्रश्न उठिछि. एंड सी, देखो इफ दे आर स्टिल रिलेवेंट टुडे. आज मते से गुड़ाक प्रासंगिक कि और इरिलेवेंट, वेदर रिलेवेंट और इरिलेवेंट. So now let's move to the next page. Yes, that is yes, it once awkward. What did I say? It once awkward. एमिति गोटे हैला, थरे एमिति हैला. Could understand? केमिति हैला? What awkward? Let's know. It once awkward घटिला to a certain king. That means once there was a king, and once there was a king, and one day it occurred into his mind, or something struck his mind. So it once occurred to a certain king. We don't know who the king was, but was a king. That if he always knew, से जदि सदाबले जानी पारि थांते द राइट टाइम, उपयुक्त समयटी टू बिगिन एवरीथिंग, प्रत्येक जिनस आरंभ करिवार, प्रत्येक जिनिस प्रत्येक मिशन आरंभ करिवार शुभ मुहूर्तटी जदि जानी पारि थांते, द क्वेश्चन इज if he always knew, सदाबले जानी पारते the right time to begin a work or to begin a mission, if he knew who were the right people to listen to, or the next question is if he knew, he could knew who were the right people to listen to or to take advice from, and whom to avoid, whom to accept, whose advice to accept, whose counseling to accept, and whom to avoid, क्या को एड़ेबा, क्या कथा मानिबा, ये कथा जदि जानी पारिथांते, प्रथमतः शुभ मुहूर्त जानी पारिथांते, द्वितीयतः क्या क्यों लोक को क्यों लोकंकर परामर्श आमे ग्रहण करिबा एवं क्यों लोकर परामर्श को आमे एवॉइड करिबा, and above all, सर्वोपरि, above all means सर्वोपरि, if he always सदाबले knew, जानी पारि थांते, what was the most important thing to do first? These three questions arose in the mind of the king. What are the questions? First question, what is the right time to begin a mission? And who are the right person to listen to? And the third one is, that is, what is the most important thing that to be done on the priority basis? If he always knew these things, he would never fail. He would never fail in anything he might undertake, or he would never fail in his mission. These three questions arose in the mind of the king. And this thought, which thought? These questions. The thought of these questions, and this thought having occurred to him, जेतु तांका मनरे उठी गला, he had it proclaimed, he had it proclaimed, से घोषणा कले. Who proclaimed? The king. God it proclaimed, घोषणा कले throughout his kingdom, तांकर साम्राज्य सारा से घोषणा कले that he would give a great reward. You know, reward means पुरस्कार, बड़ा पुरस्कार देवे to anyone who would teach him, This is proclaimed means, you know, घोषणा कले throughout his kingdom, राज्य सारा, that he would give a great reward to anyone, से पुरस्कार देवे, बड़ा बड़ा पुरस्कार देवे, who would teach him what was the right time, for every action, and who were the most necessary people whom to listen, and how he might know what was the most important thing to do first. So these are the questions, and to get the answers of the questions, he proclaimed that he would reward anyone who would give right answer to his question. and how he might know what was the most important thing to do. And a learned man came to the king. When it was proclaimed, when it was announced, learned men of the kingdom came to the king. That means to the king's court. But they all answered his questions differently. Could understand? They could understand.
Your phone's in flight mode, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
And the learned man came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. Could understand? No one could give the same answer to any question. They gave varied questions. Every learned man was different from others. Now let's move to the next para. That is in reply to the first question. In reply to the first question, some said that to know the right time for every action, one must drop in advance. Some said like this. Could understand? A table of days, month and years. Tamane, to know the right time, we have to calculate or predict or chalk out or make a plan or make a table of days, months, years, and must live strictly according to it. How से table जो समय और table करा गला, we should be stuck with that table, that to strictly. Otherwise, we must fail. Some opined like this. Only thus said they. Semane कहले, could everything be done at its proper time, so that everything can be done in proper time. A school of thought said like this. Others declared that अन्यमाने घोषणा कले जे it was impossible, असंभव to decide beforehand. आगतुरा में decide करियाटा it is not easy, it's impossible. Some opined, some learned man. The right time for every action. प्रत्येक एक्शन पाई शुभ मुहूर्त ठीक समयटी आमे डिक्लेयर करि परिबाटा भारी कष्टदायक and impossible, difficult and impossible. But that not letting oneself be absorbed in this ideal pastime. So right time for every action, but that not letting oneself be observed मजी जीवा in ideal pastime. ये बढ़िया अलसुआ, ये बढ़िया बेकारिया समय अतिक्रांत रे आमी मजी जीवा ठीक नहीं. One should always attend जने प्रत्येक कामरे attend हेबा दरकार to all that was going on. जहाँ जहाँ घटुची से जगह आमे we should attend and then do what was the most needful. से जगह we have to find out which must be given priority and which must be given a less priority as per the situation. Others again said that however attentive, तमे केते attentive हुआ, however attentive the king might be, राजा केते attentive हुअन्तु to what was going on, जहाँ जहाँ घटुची ताकू केते attentive हुअन्तु. It was impossible, असंभव for one man गोटे लोक टू डिसाइड करेक्टली द राइट टाइम फॉर एवरी एक्शन प्रत्येक एक्शन करेक्ट टाइम टी और राइट टाइम टी करेक्टली कही परिया डिफिकल्ट बट दैट he should never yes he should never have a sorry that he should have a council of wise men गोटे ज्ञानी लोक मानकर विज्ञ लोक मानकर गोटे परिषद रहा दरकार who would help him to fix the proper time for everything प्रत्येक जिनस राइट टाइम फिक्स करिया सकाशे देयर शुड बी ए काउंसिल ऑफ वाइज मैन हु वुड डू दैट राइट नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट दैट इज पैराग्राफ yes this one but then again others said अन्य माने कहले there were some things केते जिंस अछि which could not wait to be laid before a council एमिति का केते जिंस अछि जोटा कि काउंसिल ऑफ वाइज मैन आगे रखिबा को समय नथिबो दैट मस्ट बी व्हाट वी से दैट इज माने आपतकालीन विपत्ति जोटा कि इमीडिएट एक्शन इज नेसेसरी and that cannot be laid before the council of wise men. Time would not permit it to do it. But about which one had at once to decide whether to undertake them or not. And that things demands immediate action, giving no time. Giving no room for decision thought. There are such things. But in order to decide that सेगुड़ी को निष्पत्ति नेबा पाई one must know beforehand आगुरु जानिबा दरकार what was going to happen कौन हेबा को जाउछ आगुरु जानिया दरकार. But misfortune never comes with prior information. It comes immediately, so it is called accidentally, or accident is always accident. Accidents never come giving prior information. So how one could understand when what would happen? Next, it is only magicians. It is only magicians. केवल जादूकारी माने जादूगर माने who knew that जोड़ा की जानी थांती and therefore in order to know the right 1 minute right right time for every action. Next, equally various were the answers. Equally various the answers to the second question. To the second question, the same answers came and those answers were different from one another. Some said the people, the king most need. Some said the people the king most needed were his counselors. केते जन कहले काउंसिलर मानकर आवश्यकता बेसी अछि. Others the priests, others the doctors. आउ केते कहले the people the king most needed were priests, and others said the doctors, while some said the warriors were the most necessary. योद्धा माने निहाती आवश्यक. To the third question, as to what was the most important occupation. Could you understand? Some replied, Pratyuttar dele, that the most important thing in the world was science. Some said. Others said it was skill, dakhyata in warfare, rana kaushalare dakhyata, and others again that it was religious worship. Dharmika upasana was the most important thing. Again, third question also faced the same problem. The third question also faced these divergent answers. All the answers being different. Different people answered different answers to the three questions of king. The king was not satisfied. Could you understand? Different the king agreed with none of them. କାହା ସହିତ ରାଜି ହେଲେନି and rewarded none, କାହାକୁ ହେଲେ ପୁରସ୍କାର ଦେଲେନି and gave the reward to none, but still wishing to find the right answer, but he wished anyhow to find out the right answer to his questions. He decided to consult a hermit, ଗୋଟେ ସନ୍ନ୍ୟାସୀ ସହିତ ପରାମର୍ଶ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି କଲେ. Widely renowned, ସୁବିଖ୍ୟାତ for his wisdom, ତାଙ୍କର ଜ୍ଞାନ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଭାରି ସୁବିଖ୍ୟାତ ଥିଲେ. ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ କନସଲ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ the king wished. So here is the glossary. Some words are there. Let's know their meaning. First one is awkward. Its meaning is came to mind. Next one is proclaimed, घोषणा करिबा. I have told you, made known publicly or officially, समस्त को जଣା करिबा. Past time, things done to pass time pleasantly. आमे आमर समय अतिबाहित करिया पई जो काम आमे करूची, that is called past time. Next, let's move to the next question. 1 minute. Let's see what is there. So, in part 3, towards the last part, we made a mistake. We forgot 2 lines. So, council, in order to decide that one must know beforehand what was going to happen, it is only magician who know that, and there in order to know the right time for every action, one must consult magicians. This was the decision given by, advice given by the learned ones. Now let's move to page number 5. Yes, here are some questions. Here are some questions. Right? Let's attempt them. First question is, that is, think it out. Yes. First question is, what were the 3 questions that occurred to the king? What did he do? Get the answers to his questions. The 3 questions that occurred in the king's mind were: first, what is the right time to begin any mission? Second question is, who are the right people to listen to? And the third question is, which is the right thing to do first? These are the 3 questions. In order to get their answers, he announced that the person who would give the answers to his questions would be given a great reward. Next, what answers did the wise man give to his first question? In reply to the first question, some wise men said that to know the right time for every action, one must draw up in advance a table of days, months, and years. Others declare that it was impossible to decide beforehand the right time for every action. Aguru koi haba nahi. One should always attend to all that was going on and then do what was most needful. Some others said the king should have a council of wise men to advise him what is proper or improper. Question number 3. How did the wise man answer his second question? To the second question, the answers were various. Some said the people the king most needed were his counselors. Some said the priests are the most precious people. Some said the doctors, and some said the warriors are most necessary. Next one is what answer did the king get for his third question? To the third question, some replied that the most important thing in the world was science. Others said it was the skill in warfare. Some others said it was religious worship. These were the questions to the answer. To the third question. Next one is 5. Why did he decide to consult the hermit? To consult a hermit. As the king could not get satisfactory answers to his questions, he decided to consult a hermit to have the answers. With this, that is end of today's lesson. We shall discuss the rest part in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.